Today we are going to start a new lesson. Can you tell me what is the name of the lesson? Johnny Appleseed. Look at the picture on page 78. What can you see in this picture? By looking at this picture, can you tell me what is the lesson about? What does we get from trees? Can you name some animals and insects who live on trees? What is the importance of trees in our lives? Does it give you something which is very essential to live? Why should we plant more trees? What will happen if there were no trees at all? Now, what can you see in picture on page 79? Which place is it? How many people can you see? Who is the person who is carrying something on his shoulder? What is there in the basket? Why is he barefoot? What kind of dress is he wearing? Who is the other person in the picture? Turn your page, children, and now look at the picture on the top, page 80. What is the boy doing? What is kept near him? Alright, now see the next picture on the same page. What can you see in this picture? What are the children doing? What is the man doing? Is he the same person? Can you tell me which place is this? Okay, now the last page and the last picture. Which tree can you see in this picture? What has happened to the man? Is he the same person or someone else? Alright, children. Now, we are going to read the beginning of the story. Let's start reading the first paragraph. Many years ago, there lived a very hard-working farmer. Children, farmer is a person who works in a field. His name was Johnny. His field was full of corn. His trees were full of fruits. But I am not happy, he said. I want to help other people. Now children, this Johnny is a farmer and he works in a field, and in his field he grows corns. And the trees which he grows, they are also full of fruits. But he is not happy. Now why is he not happy? Because he wants to help the other people. Now let's read the next paragraph. One day, Johnny left his house. He walked many miles. Miles means walking a long way. On the way, he gave his good clothes and shoes to the poor people. He picked old sacks from the farm. He wore them as clothes. He wore a pot on his head as a hat. Now can you see, children, in the picture? Johnny, he has left his house and he has walked many miles. And can you see his clothes, children? He is not wearing good clothes. And look at his feet, children. He is barefoot also. He has given his clothes and his shoes to the poor people because he is a helping man. He gave everything to the poor people. Alright, children. Johnny stopped at every farmhouse. He rapped at the door and asked for a few apples. Children, the meaning of rapped means to knock at the door. When you go to somebody's house, do you knock the door? So here Johnny also goes to the farmhouse. At every farmhouse he goes and he knocks the door of each and every person and asks for apples. There the farmers had so many apples that they gladly gave some of them away. So children, the people who are living there, they are also farmers and they have so many apples with them. So what they do, they happily give the apples to Johnny.